The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the two screws that secure the foam portion of the footwell roof. Pull the foam straight down to remove it. Remove the filter housing door by sliding the door to the right and then dropping it down. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1099 filter into the housing. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the cover by aligning the tabs and slide to lock it into place. Reinstall the foam panel by aligning the holes. Reinstall the screws.